Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala Sayyid al-Anbiya'i wal-Mursaleen wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The topic for today's video is short biography of Syedna Saad bin Abi Waqas raziyallahu ta'ala anhu. Syedna Saad bin Abi Waqas was a prominent companion of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. He was born in Makkah in the year 595 AD into the Banu Zahra clan of the Quraysh tribe. Syedna Saad bin Abi Waqas converted to Islam during its early days and quickly gained prominence due to his unwavering devotion to the faith. He participated in several significant battles during the time of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, including the Battle of Uhud and the Battle of Trench. He was known for his exceptional bravery and military tactics. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam even referred to him as the best archer among his companions. He was also counted in the 10 people promised paradise by the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself. After the demise of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Islamic Caliphate was established, and Syedna Saad bin Abi Waqas continued serving Islam actively. During the Caliphate of Hazrat Umar, Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqas was appointed as the governor of Kufa in Iraq. His governance was characterized by justice, fairness, and adherence to Islamic principles. Syedna Saad bin Abi Waqas played a significant role in the compilation and preservation of the Holy Quran. He was part of the committee led by Hazrat Osman, the third caliph, which undertook the task of standardizing the Quranic text. His deep knowledge of the Quran and its recitation were highly valued during this process. Syedna Saad bin Abi Waqas lived a long life, passing away in the year 674 AD. His contribution to early Islamic period, his bravery on the battlefield, his dedication to the preservation of the Holy Quran made him an exemplary figure in the Islamic history. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.